Legal education is the foundation of the legal profession. Stop. To ensure proper input in the profession, we have to strengthen our legal education. Stop. The formal legal education was started in 1857 with introduction of legal education as a subject for teaching in three universities in the presidency towns of Bombay, Calcutta and Madras. Stop. From 1857 to 1967, a stereotyped system of teaching continued in our law colleges. Stop. Legal education was not taken as a serious discipline until the Bar Council, by its extraordinary efforts, had set up the National Law University at Bangalore a quarter century ago. Stop. Thereafter, about 13 more national law schools have been set up in various parts of the country. Stop. The quality of legal education imparted by these national law schools is comparatively better. Stop. Unfortunately, for variety of reasons, a very large number of students of these national law schools do not come in the profession, and hence the profession is not getting the benefit from these law schools for variety of reasons. Stop para. It is our bounden duty and obligation to ensure that general quality of legal education imparted by our law schools is improved. Stop. Improvement in legal education would lead to improving the quality of new entrants to the bar in our country. Stop para. The core objective of revamping the legal education is to maintain the highest standards of legal profession. Stop. We have to keep pace with the global phenomenon. Stop. The liberalization of economy and the globalization has made the world a global village. Stop. We cannot be mute spectator to the developments in other parts of the world. Stop. Any effort to seek reforms in legal education by a consultation at national level is really very commendable job. Stop para. It is also important that after the law students pass the bar examination, there should be at least further 6 months extensive training provided by the Bar Council of India. Stop. They should have special training in procedural subjects like Code of Civil Procedure, Code of Criminal Procedure, Evidence Act, etc. Stop. They should also be exposed to the skills of drafting of plaints, written statements, replications, writ petitions, counter affidavits, appeals, cross objections, etc. Stop. In this training, great emphasis be given on professional ethics. Stop. The Bar Council should organize lectures of eminent lawyers and judges who have genuinely valued ethics, honesty, and morality. Stop. So the new entrants can consider them their role models. Stop para. The purpose of this training is that the one who has passed the bar examination and has also successfully completed 6 months training provided by the Bar Council of India should be able to discharge professional duties and obligations effectively. Stop para. Traditionally, the new entrants to the bar used to receive this kind of training in the chambers of the seniors. Stop. Unfortunately, the old practice of chamber training is becoming quite difficult. Stop. It is difficult to find so many good liars who will be willing to impart that kind of training to the law students and also pay new entrants to the profession a reasonable stipend. Stop. Therefore, in this view of the matter, the Bar Council of India and the Bar Councils of the states must take up the responsibility of providing necessary practical training to the new entrants to the bar before they actually start practice of law on their own. Stop para. According to the recommendations of the National Knowledge Commission, an all India national body consisting of experts from various disciplines should decide about the quality of legal education in the country. Stop. That body should also supervise the legal education imparted by the law schools all over the country. Stop. This national body should be autonomous, in which legal academicians are given freedom to innovate, experiment, and compete globally. Stop para. In order to improve the quality of legal education, it is imperative to redesign and remodel our curriculum and make it relevant for the need of the profession, academic world, executive, legislation, trade and business, etc. Stop para. Amalgamation of lecture method with the case method system is imperative to have fine blending between passive method, that is the lecture method, with the case method, better known as Langdell method of teaching. Stop para. The clinical legal education is an attempt to integrate and assimilate court oriented skills with traditional and formal legal education. Stop.